Hello guys, welcome to my channel Internet Journey. In this video I will be talking about the situations we need to face if the colleges get reopened. Even I am a student like you, and what are all I am saying in this video, these all are my opinions. And so let's start the video. So number 1, occupancy. As per the present situation, 30% of the students from whole class can be fitted in one room. So one total classroom can be fitted in 3 rooms. So the colleges has to expand the infrastructure in terms of rooms and extra space to 3 times than the present infrastructure. I think it is not possible for all the universities. Some of the universities can fulfill this requirement in terms of extra space and extra rooms because they have some extra space and extra rooms to fulfill this requirement. Some universities doesn't have an extra space or extra rooms to fulfill this requirement. For every class they need extra 2 rooms. Once think about it, you will get an idea. And also the teachers will have a lot of burden. They have to teach 3 periods in different rooms for same class. If this is the case, how our syllabus will be completed? I think they will reduce the syllabus, and also the faculty will show their pressure and burden on the students. Of course, this is the thing will happen every time. Number 2, transport. This is one of the major problem. Colleges have only limited and sufficient transport. We will talk about the situations before COVID-19. I think most of you people know that so many students will come in public transport from different areas and different reasons. The buses will be fully occupied. The students will be footboarding most of the time, and at college timings there will be no buses with sitting places. Everyone has to stand and come to colleges. And the same thing with college buses. Even college buses also fully occupied, and there are no extra seats to sit. And after COVID-19 situation, that means present situation, at this time there will be no RTC buses. And what about students? How they will come to college? If social distance has to be maintained in college buses, we need extra buses to transport the students. And the students will come from different areas and different zones. This will be more risky factor, high chances of spreading coronavirus, and the colleges doesn't have so many buses. And if students want to come in own transport, there are certain rules like only one person on one vehicle. If this is the case, every person should go to the college on their own vehicle. This will occupy lots of parking space in the college. Number 3, hostels. Almost 50% of the students are staying in hostels. If the college will get reopened, and the students who are staying out of stations, again they have to come back to their hostels. The hostel students are from different places. This is also one of the risky factor. Maintaining social distance in hostel is highly impossible. And also there will be 3 to 4 persons in one hostel room and sharing common bathroom. And if one person affected with virus in the hostel, almost everyone is affected, that's for sure. The virus will be easily spreaded, like so many people will eat together, play together in hostels. In college they can monitor social distancing, but in hostels there is no monitoring. If the college keeps any special team for that in hostels, then there will be no word of freedom in hostels and in hostel rooms. Number 4, controlling the students. As a student, my opinion is that it is too difficult to control the students, as the main thing is no one will do things wantedly because everyone has that common sense. Students are not psychos. As per the doctors, we don't know exactly who is affected for the first 14 days. I think if one person is affected, 14 days are more than enough to affect whole college. Generally, students will have friends, they will be contact with each other like in canteen or in break time. And also they will share and touch lot of things, and they will share pens, books, mobile phones, etc. Faculty couldn't run always behind the students to warn them about social distancing. And also the main thing is that they can monitor only in the college campus. Once the students are out of the campus, they can't control them. Number 5, teaching. Teaching will be not as good as before COVID-19 situation because the interaction between faculty and students will be less at this time. Once think about this, if the education is not interactive, how it will be in the classes? And there will be so many changes in teaching methodology. for which we are not yet prepared. And also I think college is not about only study and also including other activities, but at this time we should not expect all the other activities other than study. And also our college days will be so boring. Get ready for that. So how to avoid all these? Teachers should be adapted for online teaching methodology. So teachers are still struggling a lot to pick up with online education system. I don't know why engineer colleges couldn't make their own online platform to deliver the education and monitor the students. There is so much technology existing in this world which should be used right now and delivering online education efficiently. That's it guys for this video. These all are my opinions and my thoughts, and I hope you like this video and share it to your friends. If you are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel for more videos.